This here is a Facebook Portal Plus. Let's just tear into it. I love video chatting. It's beautiful. Look at it. The packaging is, oh, just solid. Oh. Oh, look at that. He's making pasta. Check out what she's making pasta. Hey, what's up, Billy? Just making some pasta. Oh, I know, we're making the same pasta. What's a Facebook Portal? It's a video chat robot that helps you feel connected to people that you love most. Oh, thank you, Portal, for helping me stay close to our families. What's a video chat robot? It means that this thing does something that none of its competitors have done before. It uses an AI-powered camera that zooms, pans, and tracks your movements, making it feel less like a video call and more like you're actually in the same room as whoever you're talking with, even if you're miles apart. Wow. Here's what we'll be covering today. 1, unboxing the Portal Plus. 2, demonstrate features and test durability. And then we're gonna demonstrate the video calling capabilities to see if it can perform well in different environments. I mean, look at that. You're so thoughtful. No razor blades necessary. Wow. We're gonna just get right into it. What the f? Maybe we'll try it this way. Facebook was really thoughtful to give us a nice, look at that. Put a little number 2 right there. How thoughtful. Oops, I did the number 2 first. So let's start like this. Number 1. Oh, that's nice. What the hell, man? Number 2. Oh, babe. Number 3. Oh, the hell with all of this. Just give me my Portal. Inside the box, you'll find your Portal Plus power cord and a camera cover. Where's the camera cover? Ew. Let's plug in our portals to see what it's like.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, oh, no. Gotta be kidding me. April Fools, it can handle a drop. All right, now let's get to the specs. Okay, so the Facebook Portal comes in 2 models. The smaller 10.1 inch for $199 and the incredible 15.6 inch version with a rotatable screen for $299. The rotating screen, the improved sound quality, and most important of all, the resolution is easily worth the extra money. The smaller Portal houses 2 10-watt full-range speakers, but only displays 720p. Whereas its big brother, on the other hand, lends you 2 tweeters, a 4-inch woofer, which sounds pretty darn good, and a 1080p full HD resolution that you can respect. They both have the same 12 megapixel cameras. They both use the same 360-degree microphone array, meaning they have 2 microphones in the front, 2 microphones in the back. You can thank your God that they both come with this ever so reassuring camera cover. So this little guy covers the little camera lens when you're not in a call. Just like so. And when you're in a call, all you have to do is slide it over. No, it's not connected or anything. It just fits along the entire top ridge or the side. If you have children, I'm sure it'll be gone in a week, but some of its video chat competitors did not include a camera cover, so good form. You can also press this little button right here. The red LED will come on, which is Facebook's way of reassuring you that your camera and microphone are, of course, off. Now here's something I wouldn't do unless this was a review. We already know that it can fall flat on its face, at least on a surface like this, so it's pretty good, and it's responsive. It's pretty responsive. The balance, do a little balance test. It's pretty good. It's okay. It took a licking, and it's still ticking. It's okay. This is what your Facebook Portal will be looking like most of the time. And that is displaying pictures either of some scenery or your photos from your own photo albums on Facebook, which is really, 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 really cool. Smart Camera automatically keeps you in the frame as you move around the room. Now this is that AI super robot inside the living machine that I was talking about earlier. Let's try it out. God, this thing's working pretty good. Wow. Let me give you a tour. Come on over. Here's a camera. Here's a $99 ring light. You can't really tell it. Hey, go up here. Even in the dark, this works pretty good. Let's make some test calls. All right, now let's put this AI camera to the test in multiple rooms in different situations. Let's call some people up, and here we go, call. Wait, I wanna do it straight from the super view. Pretend I'm just like chilling at home, and I got my pretty pictures running, and I just feel like, hey, Portal, call Kai.
Call Kai Yo, right?
Yes.
Calling Kai Yo.
All right, it works. I'm excited! Oh, hey.
What's up?
What are you doing? And how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. What kind of tea are you making?
Some English breakfast tea.
That sounds fancy.
Yeah. Not really. It's just a normal tea bag here.
So as you can see, the facial and body tracking ability is very good for this camera. I say body also because even in the dark here, you can see that it works flawlessly.
Once upon a time, Mama Monkey said, "It's time for bed."
Whoa, cool.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor
Whoa.
said, "No more monkeys jumping."
That worked totally cool and it made it awesome. Facebook Portal's face filters are unlike any others due to the fact that you get to enjoy them on a huge 15.6-inch display versus your tiny little phone screen. This thing is so cool. Oh my gosh, oh, that's crazy. This is what it looks like most of the time in here. Yeah, I don't really, ew.
70s queen.
The filters are awesome. Definitely good for family time. Do you have lipstick on or is that the lipstick filter?
No, it's the lipstick filter.
Oh, let's test it in the kitchen. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, call me later. Hey.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm cooking. What's up?
Cool, can I see it?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll track it, but it's right here. Some mushrooms over here.
Ooh, wow, that totally worked.
You want to call me back?
Sure.
Bye.
Hey, Portal, hang up. That was an interesting experience. This thing is amazing. I love it. The filters, the story time, and this is definitely the first of its kind that works that good and is this good looking. The screen is just a giant iPad and displays your photos at the tap of a button and at the command of your voice. And you and your family definitely do appreciate seeing your favorite photos, seeing your baby photos, seeing your friends' photos. This gets a tech product of the year 2018/19. Can I get the roll of a drum, please? Facebook Portal Plus, I confess that on our 29th day together of our 30-day free trial, I emailed Facebook support saying I wasn't happy with you, but only to test the response time and level of customer support. And within a single hour, an Andy had issued a prepaid return label. Facebook support, 5 stars. Now the time of judgment has cometh, and you deliver an excitingly immersive new element. For this you are welcome into our homes with open arms, and I shall recommend you highly. All right, guys, that's it for us today, and thank you for joining us. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have under 1 million subscribers, so I think I have room for one more. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe before you go. And guys, I'll see you next time. Camera cover, huh, Facebook? Really? Hey guys, how are you doing? Just hanging out here by the fireplace, you know?
When it first showed up with your white and blue university emails, oh boo-hoo, I was only on teen, couldn't get into Facebook, damn.